Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Taobao Chinese shopping app. So for instance, if I open my Taobao Chinese shopping app right here, in some cases, we try to open link from WhatsApp or from Gmail or from anywhere, from any source, and we try to open a Taobao link in order to connect to Taobao app. And all of a sudden, we found out that the link is not load. Like for instance, I'm going to use this particular product as an example for a better understanding. So I'm going to open up this product link right here. Then after open up this product link, I'm going to go ahead and click on here just for me to copy the product link. And then I'm going to go ahead and simply do this. I copy the product link. Now the link has been successfully copied. Now let's say for instance, I want to send this link to someone to help me to buy this product, or I want to send this link to someone that fully understand how Taobao work. So I'm going to assist, I'm going to go ahead and open up my WhatsApp right here. I'll click on here and paste the link right here. Now we have the link right here. So once we have the link sent to someone, it is the responsibility of this person right here to open up the link. And by clicking on here now, just to connect back to Taobao, so it's going to redirect to whatever default browser you are using on your phone. So in this phone here, I'm using Chrome browser. And instead of direct me automatically to app, it's going to open up on a browser like this. And once it open on a browser, it's going to open up like this, telling me to log in with my username and password before I can have access to that particular product, or in order to connect to uh Taobao app. And this is somehow frustrating. A lot of people are facing this challenge, and I have found a rightful solution to this problem that allow you to load product link from Taobao directly into your Taobao Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you on how to fix this particular problem right here. So let's get started. So I'm going to access from my Taobao, from my Chrome browser right here, and I'll come back to this particular Taobao right here. So on this particular page here, you can see that this is the product. This is the exact product we need right here from Taobao, but we want to go through link before someone else can reload. How can you fix this problem? So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, Idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So what we want to do right here, on getting to the product page, let's say for instance, I want to use another product as an example. We are back to the home page right here. Now I want to go ahead and use this particular product. I want to go ahead and use this particular product here as an example. So first thing first, click on the product link. It's load up right here. Now what you need to do next here is to go ahead and click on this share icon. Click on the share icon. So when you click on the share icon, it takes us right here. So instead of you copy link, now what you need to do now is to stop copy link. Once you stop copy link, how can you connect this particular same product, is say on the same store on Taobao? What you need to do is to take a screenshot of this particular QR code right here. This is regarded as product code on Taobao. You can get this code from any sales page on the phone or on the Chrome or whatever browser you are using on the web. So first thing first, make sure you screenshot this part. So I'm going to go ahead now and take a screenshot of this part. So once we take a screenshot, I will just crop so that it gives us the exact place we want. So I will just crop to this particular QR code and I'll save it on my phone. Next thing we want to do here is that this particular QR code is what you need to send to the person instead of sending link. So once you send the QR code to the person, then the person have to come to Taobao app right here and then go ahead and click on this icon right here in order to load the particular QR code. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and click on here now. So I will click on that. I have to make sure I select the QR code right here. So once you select the QR code, automatically it's going to scan and it will redirect you to the exact same product page on Taobao, just like what you see right here. So from here, you can try to chat the supplier, go ahead and place the order on your behalf on Taobao Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. So this is how to simply fix the problem of product link lot load in Taobao Chinese shopping app. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to shop and ship product from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app, Pinduoduo, Alibaba or AliExpress, 168A, Shenyun or Idlefish, JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.